Hi and welcome, Lisa here with a product reveal for Whimsy Stamps Gnome Beach 4x6 clear stamp set. The first thing I want to do is quickly stamp the images and sentiments out to share with you. Then I have a few samples to share, plus I've handpicked a couple of previously released products that will go great with this stamp set. We'll talk about those as well. You may have some of those items already in your craft room. Now for my first sample, I paired the colored images with the die cut pieces from the Build an Island die set and created some really cute beach themed photos using the selfie die set. Now I quickly colored those Build an Island die cut pieces with Copic markers, and I think it's a perfect addition to the sun worshipping gnomes. Now for the second sample, I grabbed my wavy nested frame die set and Wave Links embossing folder to create a swimming pool for this adorable gnome to float around in. Also using Whimsy's Speech Bubbles die set to stamp the sentiments, and the new Scribbles Cling red rubber stamp makes a fun background stamped directly onto an A2 card base. Now let me know what you think of the new Gnome Beach stamp set in the comments. And for more information on the products in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the links in the description box directly below. Be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group and follow us on Instagram for more inspiration. Until next time, please take care.